Bonjour, welcome back to my channel Learn French Together. Today we are going to learn colors in French. Let's get started.
Vert, vert.
It means green in French.
Rose, rose.
It means pink in French.
Bleu, bleu.
It means blue in French.
Blanc, blanc.
It means white in French.
Noir, noir.
It means black in French.
Jaune, jaune.
It means yellow in French.
Rouge, rouge.
It means red in French.
Orange, orange.
It means orange in French.
Violet, violet.
It means purple in French.
Gris, gris.
It means gray in French.
Marron, marron.
It means brown in French. Thank you for learning colors with me in French. See you next time.